Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings. Once you're here, just scroll to the very bottom so you see the Safari browser right here. Then tap on it and scroll down again till you see the clear history and website data. Just tap on that, and here you could pick the time frame. You could either go to the last hour, today, yesterday, or all history. You could also close all tabs. But let's say you want to clear the last hour of time frame on your search history. Just click on that or tap on that and you'll be good to go. And next is just go to the general here, then go to iPhone storage. Here you could pick apps that you want to clear some cache and stuff. So let's say you want to clear cache on Facebook. Go to Facebook, and then as you can see there's an offload app option right there. So just tap on that, confirm, wait for it to uninstall, since this will reinstall the app and delete unnecessary files. So just tap on reinstall app and just wait for it to reinstall, although it may take some time. Just wait for it. After this is done, all unnecessary files or data will be gone, but your data and login information will still be there. And as you can see, we are now good. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.